Hey guys, it's Michael. Today we're going to go over the top 3 stocks to buy in the alternative energy space. Alternative stocks have gained on average more than 130% this year alone compared to the S&P 500's roughly 7% rise. And with falling costs of solar energy, hydrogen fuel cell technology, and other alternative energies, as well as optimism around supportive policies from the government, there's a lot more upside ahead. So in today's video, we're first going to go over some background information on why the alternative energy industry is skyrocketing, and then after that, we're going to go over the top 3 stocks in the alternative energy space. We're going to go over 1 solar panel company, 1 general alternative energy company, and 1 hydrogen fuel cell company as well. And we're going to go over what JPMorgan has to say about them as well. And if you enjoy this sort of content, well then please be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. So, alternative energy stocks are those that are involved in the solar panel business, wind energy business, hydroelectric energy business, the big and upcoming hydrogen fuel cell business, and all sorts of other alternative energy sources. Currently, the long-term fundamentals for the alternative energy space looks very, very good, and this industry has a ton of upside as companies are continuing to become more sustainable, look for more sustainable ways to generate energy. On top of this, Biden has outlined a $2 trillion climate and infrastructure plan that, if he was to win, would push the U.S. to a carbon-free power by 2035, with the country reaching net zero emissions by 2050. So that would put a huge emphasis on these stocks as well. And even if President Donald Trump is reelected and he wins again, well then there's still going to be a massive infrastructure bill that is passed and ultimately is going to help these alternative energy stocks. So let's get into the 3 stocks for today's video. And the first one is a solar panel stock, and it's called ENPH Energy, and the stock ticker symbol is ENPH. ENPH Energy is a solar panel equipment manufacturer, and JPMorgan sees ENPH Energy continuing to grow market share and said the company's energy storage business likely will provide more momentum into the second half of the year. The stock price is currently $103, and shares are up over 250% this year alone. One thing to keep in mind though is that since the stock is up over 250%, you might want to wait for a pullback or until we know at least who won the election and what exactly is in this infrastructure bill that could be injecting billions of dollars into the alternative energy industry. The second stock is Hannon Armstrong, and the stock ticker symbol is HASI. Hannon Armstrong is the first U.S. public company solely dedicated to investments in climate change solutions, providing capital to leading companies in energy efficiency, renewable energy, and other sustainable infrastructure markets. This company, which is a capital and services provider for clean energy focused companies, is a solid bet for investors who are also looking for a dividend yield, because while this stock is up over 40% this year, it also pays out a little over 3% for its dividend. So that's huge as well. Currently, the stock price is $44.32. So if you're looking for a great growth potential stock that's already up almost 50% for this year, and also a stock that pays a dividend, well then this one is a great stock as well. And finally, the third and final stock is Bloom Energy, and the stock ticker symbol is BE. Bloom Energy is a leading player in the hydrogen fuel cell industry. This is an up and coming industry and has been getting a lot of attention in recent months as hydrogen fuel cell technology is starting to become more and more realistic, and companies like Nikola Motors have announced that they're trying to use this technology in their vehicles as well. The stock price is currently $16.43, and shares are up over 105% this year alone. With increasing awareness regarding climate change and higher efficiency compared to combustion engines, the fuel cell industry is expected to skyrocket in the future, and currently with a market cap of only $2.18 billion, Bloom Energy is expected to skyrocket into the future. It's one of the 2 leading companies in the hydrogen fuel cell industry, so this is definitely one you want to have in your portfolio as well moving into the future. So anyways, these are 3 great growth stocks in the alternative energy space. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.